Hey everyone, it's Chellina Achol with Chillzstylez. Welcome back to another video. I am here with a Goddess Locs tutorial.
I need you here, my safe haven. Rather go out.
So here we just parted the hair. I did a brick overlay. So they're like row by row. And each part is in between the previous row next to it. Like if you can tell, like right in between that middle one, we're making a new section and parting that. Here's a little tutorial on how to braid.
Rather call you out than no one call my phone. Hold my grudge instead of having none to hold. None to hold. Could you blame me for needing?
So we done. Oh, look at that. 2 seconds. That's YouTube magic right there. Now for the fun part. This is that king boss hair. That's that crochet needle. Just poke it through. Loop-de-loop. Latch it up. Pull it through. But here, be very careful. You only grab one piece of string. Not both. I mean one piece of hair. Not both. Pull it through. So it's only one side that makes a little knot. Oh, look at that. Subscribe. And then we take the Marley hair. The Cuban twist. And we are wrapping it around not only your hair, but also the king free tress hair. One end we wrap around and wrap it around just to hold it. And the other piece, this is what we're going to be wrapping around. That Marley hair. Yep, keep it nice and secure and snug in the beginning.
Rather we act like grown-ups. Sometimes I block all your calls. You start hitting my girls up, talking about where's my baby, and that's when I soften up.
I keep my finger to hold the piece and lay it as flat as possible.
Rather call you out than no one call my phone.
And then here we're using nail glue, 99-cent nail glue. Genius. Multi-purpose.
None to hold. Could you blame me for needing you? You're the reason I got a weakness. Oh no, you drive me crazy. That's my baby.
Here is another angle to take a look. Starting off with that king free tress water wave hair. It doesn't really matter what kind you use. Whatever curl pattern you actually like. Back with that latch needle. Through underneath. Hook it. Close the latch. Pull it through. And in that loop you only take one side. Then we get that Marley hair. Cuban twist. Remember, wrap one side all the way. As you see right here, I didn't quite wrap the first end all the way, so it took a little while for me to get a secure start.
So good should be illegal. Need round two, I need a sequel. Hit the backboard like a freak though. You next level, you a chico. In so deep, you hit my seat.
Here I'm gonna throw another angle just for good measure, making sure y'all really got it.
All your lingo, tell your girlfriend that you're single. Call me over cause I go hard. Sweet if I like a porn star. Next day act just like your road dog. Just asking how you know her. That game's super, baby, loca. Too loud, caete la boca. Out this world is supernova. That ain't coming over. Come over, can I stop by to see you tonight? teamwork. Leave with juices on your t-shirt. Loud and clear, no need for reverb. Tell the Uber driver reverb. Flip that bitch and make the U-turn. Sex tape crazy, need the bloopers. Last online, but you a trooper. Sniper game.
Okay, here is what you do when you're adding some in the middle of a part. So you just grab the hair where you need it to be, glue it right in the middle, and then pull it tight at the beginning so the hair sticks to that glue. And then just keep continuing the process over and over again. Each lock takes about 2 pieces of the Marley hair, but in the beginning you noticed I separated each strand into 2 pieces. So technically 1 with 2 parts.
Can I stop by to see you? Shawty, you know you can always stop by. You top 5, I know you're not 5. And I 4, 3, or 2, but 1. Girl, I'm hot now, I wanna see what's under.
Cut some of the straggly hair so the curls are fresh and popping. Then add some mousse. And you're good to go. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more hair tutorials. Bye.
Porn star, and it's so deep, she called a broke shot. I just want one thing out, this phone call.